Yo, what's up guys? Sekwena here. Back again. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday morning, London session. So I'm just gonna break down the market, how I break it every day. If you don't know about that, look at my previous videos and subscribe to the channel to see daily life analysis. So guys, I already see something going on. Just give me a moment. I see the market has been breaking highs and just broke lows, so I'm looking for sales. Just gonna put my rectangle right there. Okay, I think it's a nice place for an entry, but let me put it aside. This thing, let me put this one aside too. Okay, so let me wait for my confirmation before I enter. Just contemplating on whether I should enter now. But it's just a freshening up trade, so and also we're going light risk this week, as it's the Good Friday week, and you know what's happening at China. So I'm just gonna execute my trade. I'll update you guys how this trade goes about. I'm not being too ambitious today. There's just a lot of stuff going on. Just gonna put my alert there. I'm just putting my alert there in case the market jumps to the upside, because there's a possibility my go there. So yeah, I executed my trade. I will update you guys how it went about. First trade of the day. You will never win until you take the first step. You'll never win until you take the first step, and don't overthink the first step. Just take the step. So that's what I did. Yo guys, so trade took us out and missed our alert, so I didn't know that the market was around that level since I was far from my phone. So let me take this and mark the low. Just give me a moment, because on London session I entered 3 trades. If you don't know, look at my previous videos, as I always say. So basically each session I make sure to enter like 3 trades maximum each session. So hopefully we'll enter 2 trades. This is my last trade, but I'm gonna mark the low and the high, trying to figure something out. Okay, so yeah, let me just put my rectangle as well. Just give me a moment. Okay, let me put this. Yeah, so basically as soon as the market reaches this level, which is like, if I enter there, 60 pips, but I will wait for confirmations once the market reaches that level. So you can't just enter just because the market reached your support or resistive level. You just can't enter. You have to wait for certain stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting, basically, the market to hit its zone and drop, but I'll wait for my entries. So guys, price reached my level. Let me take my fib and see levels. I can see already that we could have entered, there could have been a nice safe entry, but this week I'm missing a lot of entries. But I think mainly is because I'm waiting for my payout, so I'm not in a mood for trading really. So okay, let me execute here in my zone. As I said, the max of my trade is 3, so if I miss this one, I have one last shot. So this has to work out, or else I'm killing the market. The market makers. I know there was cringe, guys, but trying to keep you entertained as well as you're watching this. I'll update you guys how this trade goes about. Shout out. So guys, trade took us out again, so we only have 1 bullet to use. So let me use it wisely. I already see okay that why it took us out. Okay, let me put this. It broke the low further, and I can see my confirmation. This is clearer than actually the rest of my trades. Let me put my alert here, so I'll update you guys on when the price hits my alert. That's why I'll be taking my final entry in the London session. Price reached my zone and my alert, but I was far from my devices, so I couldn't enter the trade, guys. as I said, this week my mind is just on my payouts, and also it's Good Friday, so it's Holy Week for me. So yeah, if I enter now, it won't make sense at all. 70 pips and the entry level is not for me. It's just a gamble. As I said, I only have one entry left, so I'm just gonna put my alert to the upside at the entry level again. But there was a nice entry, guys. That was a nice entry. Let me put my alert here, so that if price comes back there, at least I can get a re-entry. So guys, price came back to my alert, so I showed up this time at least. Okay, I see. Okay, possible entry level, so I'm just gonna put my rectangle right here. Okay, but I'm waiting to see an engulfing candle at least for me to take my entry. Okay, I see it, but it's not closing yet. If I enter now, it's 52 pips, stop loss. Okay, I'm entering. I see this nice candlestick. Okay, let me enter. This is my last trade, guys. Last trade. Contemplate if I should put it there. Okay, my stop loss. So I'm just gonna hold this. Usually I don't lose all 3 trades, so I'm very confident that my third one might actually recover all the losses that I had. I'm confident about that. It's in drawdown at the moment, but I will update you guys what's happening. We still got a bearish engulfing though. Price is moving proper, guys. Almost took us out, but we put our SL at the best place. We are around about 100 pips at the moment. Let me see. Yeah, 100 pips, but it's not enough. That's not my exit levels usually, so let me put my alert there. So I'm putting my SL break even. That's what that means. So still seeing price pushing to the lower, so let's just look at how it moves. Okay, to those of you guys who trades patterns, I can see it's like a rising wedge. So a rising wedge, which once it gets breaked out, it will fall. I see the market though still trying to play around, but looks like it's gonna definitely drop. Definitely will update you guys how this trade goes about. But I hope you guys are loving this type of content and maybe are learning on the disciplines and are getting the feel of how it feels like, you know, to trade. I might as well soon create a community whereby I will release a platform whereby I'll be trading live in front of you guys at a subscription fee, but I'm still thinking about that. Another update, guys. So firstly, I'm gonna move my SL just above this level. I hate these ads, guys. I hate them. I think I might as well pay trading view. Okay, so yeah, anticipating price will drop right to break that low again. Yeah, just around that level. So yeah, so guys, price took us out in profits. Fortunately, we were able to recover our losses, the loss that we had earlier on today. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and may you please subscribe so you can get my live analysis tomorrow. So shout out.